Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive radio messages on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and then click on this button that you can find down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings at the top, which is the second option. Then go to this right side column, scroll down and click on privacy and social down below. Scroll down and select this receive radio messages feature that you can find on the right side, on the left side column. So you can turn it on by tapping on the enable button or disable it by clicking on the other button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.